Welcome to Ohio Medical's Medical Gas Pipeline presentation. We appreciate you joining us to learn more about how Ohio Medical can help you and your business. Before I begin, I'd like to provide a brief history of our company. In 1916, Squire Cogswell was founded in Chicago and was a key manufacturer of medical gas, suction, and oxygen therapy equipment for Ohio Chemical. In 2005, the Squire Cogswell Arrows Company and Omeda Suction and Oxygen Therapy businesses were acquired and Ohio Medical was formed. Today, Ohio Medical is owned by private equity company 10X Capital Management. A little more about us. We are an FDA-regulated medical device facility to help to ensure safety and effectiveness of all of our devices. We are also ISO 13485 certified and have been since 1996. Since 1959, we have produced more than 30,000 air and vacuum systems. Since the 1990s, we have also been providing a line of medical gas pipeline products, such as zone valve boxes, outlets, manifolds, hoses, and alarms. This presentation will take you through everything Ohio Medical has to offer. We'll start in the basement of the facility and work our way up to the patient bedside. Let's start with the emergency oxygen supply connection. This is required in conjunction with bulk cryogenic liquid systems. It allows an external source of oxygen to be piped into a hospital in emergency situations. Here is a rendering of what you would typically see in the basement of a healthcare facility. This is where source equipment, or central vacuum and air systems, are typically located. We offer sizing guides for air and vacuum systems to help you figure out the total CFM requirements for your facility. And we are here to assist you with choosing which style of vacuum or air system is right for your needs. As mentioned earlier, we have manufactured more than 30,000 medical air and vacuum systems over the last 60 years. In fact, some of our salespeople have been with Ohio Medical for 30 years. It's that kind of expertise you can count on with Ohio Medical. All of our medical vacuum and air systems feature touchscreen control panels. These provide information on key system conditions, including operating pressure, hours of operation, and service intervals. There are different options for interfacing with building management systems. Our flagship unit is the medical air compressor system. This unit operates quietly and with low vibration. The desk and dryers have dew point dependent purging for lower air consumption. They are part of a complete air treatment system, which includes filters, dew point sensing, and CO monitoring. The scroll compressors have a 10,000-hour maintenance interval for tip seals and a 5,000-hour maintenance interval for shaft bearing. These systems are NFPA compliant and have UL-listed control panels. Our warranty is 30/24. The oilless scroll is, as the name implies, a completely oilless piece of machinery due to the self-lubricating PTFE seals. The dust seal on this protects against outside contaminants, and the radial cooling fan and cooling fins help lower the operating temperature. The serviceable bearings are external to the compression chamber, which is NFPA compliant, and the rotary design permits a true 100% duty cycle. Ohio Medical's scroll systems are designed with dedicated motors for each compressor. This provides more redundancy in the event of a motor or compressor failure. In the example shown, Ohio Medical's 15 horsepower is achieved by using three 5-horsepower motors and compressors versus two 7.5 horsepower compressors driven by a single 15 horsepower motor. The Ohio Medical design can also be more energy efficient, as a 15 horsepower system specification can be met with three 5-horsepower scrolls plus a backup unit for a total of 20 installed horsepower. Compare this to a system with shared motors and four 7.5 horsepower scrolls with a total of 30 installed horsepower. Also, the Ohio system provides variable flow by staging compressors that are activated as demand grows. We also offer oilless piston compressors, both in our complete systems, as well as replacements for existing piston compressors in hospitals and labs. These replace Quincy, Ingersoll-Rand, PowerX, and Champion models. These piston compressors are available in sizes from 3 to 30 horsepower, which makes them ideal for facilities with high capacity requirements. One of the advantages of oilless piston compressors is that they usually produce higher CFM per horsepower than scroll compressors, and their cast iron construction assures long-term durability. Another air system offering is our line of enclosed scroll compressor systems. These units are ideal for control air in hospitals, clean air needs in industrial settings, and in labs. They come with 3 or 5 horsepower pumps, which operate very quietly. They are made of high-quality cabinetry with steel-insulated panels mounted on a rugged steel base. The enclosed scroll compressor systems are offered in simplex or multiplex configurations. The simplex versions can be ordered with the compressor and controller only, or with an enclosed tank with or without a dryer. The multiplex systems can be ordered with multiple 5-horsepower modules, up to 8 modules for a total of 40 horsepower. To save energy, the unit can be run as a simplex or multiplex. And we offer many complementary accessories, such as a 120-gallon receiver, desiccant dryers, and a dew point and CO monitor. The desiccant dryers contain dew point dependent switching, which allows them to purge only when needed. This helps to minimize run times, saving energy. Their dew point capability easily exceeds NFPA requirements. In addition to the air sizing chart, we also provide a vacuum sizing chart that helps determine peak demand and proper system sizing. If the air or vacuum system will be located at altitudes above sea level, this chart provides compensation factors to show the effective pressure and SCFM levels that the system will achieve. One of our most popular styles of vacuum pumps for systems is our oilless rotary claw vacuum pump, ranging in size from 2 to 30 horsepower. The rotary claw vacuum pumps are air-cooled and offer low maintenance with no vanes, filters, or mist eliminators needed. They are suitable for WAG and feature soft start panels, which lessens wear and tear on the unit. One of the mainstays of the medical and lab markets is the use of oil-sealed rotary vane vacuum pumps in our NFPA compliant systems. We can offer a small simplex tank mount system, all the way up to a multiplex system for high-capacity requirements. All of our multiplex systems are designed with modular frames for ease of transport and installation. Ranging in size from 1 to 25 horsepower, these pumps are compact, quiet, and cost-effective. Although very popular for medical vacuum, they are not suitable for dedicated WAG and cannot handle water due to their tight internal clearances. The oilless rotary vane vacuum pump is a dry-running unit, and like the oil-lubricated rotary vane pump, it is quiet, requires little maintenance, and has low operating costs. Unlike the oil-lubricated system, it is suitable for WAG. Because these pumps have no seal of oil between the vanes and pump body, they are less efficient than oil-sealed models and can run at higher temperatures. Ohio Medical also offers liquid ring vacuum systems, available in simplex and multiplex NFPA compliant versions. Because there are no contacting parts in the pumping chamber, they require minimal maintenance and enjoy long service life. Equipped with our touchscreen electrical control panel, these systems are well suited for WAG use. Conservation of sealing water is important on liquid ring systems. For that reason, we offer two cooling options: partial recirculation or total recirculation of the sealing water. The total recirculation design requires the use of a chiller, allowing the sealing water to be cooled and rerouted to the pump. These systems can also be sealed with oil. As mentioned earlier, Ohio Medical offers a complete line of medical gas pipeline equipment, starting with our digital manifolds with NEMA 4 cabinets. These manifolds feature an automatic leak detection system, helping to prevent the wasting of medical gases. Optional heaters are also offered. These manifolds are applicable for small clinics, surgery centers, and large hospitals. Now that we have completed our look at the basement, we will move into the engineer's office. Master alarms are used to monitor the status of source equipment. They are typically housed in the engineering room where trained personnel can monitor signals from the source equipment. They are also normally located near a security area for 24-hour monitoring. We provide a full complement of medical gas alarms. Ohio Medical can provide master alarms, area alarms, and combination alarms. The updated version of our combo alarm will be coming soon. We also have alarm accessories. Our master alarm has touchscreen technology. Its 12-inch LCD is one of the largest screens available. Fully compliant with NFPA 99 guidelines, this alarm can be programmed in either English or Spanish. It features standard Modbus remote alarm communications, or BACnet and Ethernet options. Up to 30 alarm points are available. Standard source alarm points are programmed, and custom points can be added in the field. It is assembled in the U.S. in our ISO and FDA compliant facility. Our master alarm has several choices of viewing modes. In the previous slide, the alarm points were shown in 3 columns. Here, we see the view in a single column. This enables the user to scroll as the pages get longer. Working in conjunction with our master alarms are pressure switch assemblies for both positive pressure gases as well as vacuum. Each assembly comes complete with the switch, gauge, and DISS fitting with demand check valve. Our digital area alarms feature pressure-sensitive LCD touchscreen panels. Available with either remote or local sensors, they are capable of handling up to 8 gases and 2 zones. They can be adjusted for NFPA or ISO colors and can be programmed in either English or Spanish. They are assembled in the U.S. in our ISO and FDA compliant facility. As mentioned previously, our combination area and master alarm is currently in development and will be coming soon. Ohio Medical provides medical gas valves for all major requirements and uses within a medical or lab facility. We keep many in stock for quick delivery. All of our valves are available in lockable or non-lockable versions with dual gauge ports and extensions. They are of the full port design with blowout-proof stems and Teflon seats. All valves are oxygen cleaned. Complete valve boxes are offered with a variety of valve size combinations. Up to 5 valves can be fitted into a single box. Now that we've discussed the alarms and valves, it is time to move into the patient environment. The Ohio Medical Gas Control Panel is available for nitrogen or instrument air. There is one DISS outlet on the front panel and another outlet for routing gas to remote outlets. The panel includes a supply valve, regulator knob, and gauges for supply and regulated pressures. The unit has a pressure range from 0 to 250 psi. We carry medical gas outlets that accept Chematron, Omeda Diamond, Puritan Bennett, and DISS specific adapters. They are available for wall, ceiling, and headwall installation. The inlet pipe can be rotated 360 degrees for easy installation. Additionally, the outlet can accommodate wall thicknesses from 3/8 of an inch to 1 1/4 inch. Chrome trim plates are also available as an option. Our hose assemblies are available in standard hose drops and can also be customized to meet a facility's specific needs. Our hose assemblies are manufactured with medical-grade anti-static PVE tubing, which is reinforced with polyester braiding. The hose assemblies are normally made with DISS female connections on one end that is connected to an outlet. The other end is a male DISS or female quick connect coupler with check unit. The standard length is approximately 5 feet, with the internal diameters being 1/4 inch for pressurized gases and 5/16 of an inch for vacuum and WAG hoses. The Diamond Series column can be fixed or retractable and can have up to 28 outlets and sockets. Available in stainless steel or steel coated with epoxy, our ceiling column is perfect for operating rooms requiring connections for equipment. To provide unparalleled service, we work through factory authorized service dealers in your area. In addition to addressing customers' specific service needs, we also provide preventative maintenance contracts to maximize equipment performance. Thank you again for your time. We look forward to you making Ohio Medical your single source of equipment from the basement to the bedside. Combining our long history in the medgas industry with innovative solutions for today, we will provide your facility with just what you need now and into the future. If you would like additional information, please reach out to Clark Niermeyer at 262-490-5221 or Jordan Gilliam at 413-278-1114.